in case you want this.
Hold on,
Sorry.
is this no?
What is that?
No, don't. Is this Hold on. No, hold on. I'll cheat. I don't care.
You can
no,
cheat.
Look, I know.
But it's wrong.
Everything with this engine
Wait,
is wrong.
Wait, did it say F? Wait, what? Like and subscribe. Wow, really? What is it? No, real life, like I have no clue. Is it like an H series hybrid with an F series?
Exactly.
See? Well, you didn't get that on fucking video, did you?
Oh, I did.
Oh, okay, cool. Oh,
it's recording, man.
Okay, cool.
H22 head with a F23 block.
Cool.
And K24 pistons, B series transmission.
Nice.
Iron sleeved?
Nice.
Is it iron sleeved?
Yeah.
Is that stock or did you do that?
Yeah, no. The F23 comes with them stock.
Nice. Do you too cry yourself to sleep when you try to make power at 50 to 80 above sea level?
Well,
because
I cry to sleep because this doesn't even work.
Oh, okay. Hence that. Oh, okay.
So yeah, so hence this.
Fair enough.
This H22.
Is this an organic H22?
Yes.
Oh,
Yes,
okay.
organic.
Non-GMO.
Non-GMO.
From your finest of accord preludes.
Yes.
Cool, man.
Farmed by the Boulder hippies.
Nice. Dual Vanos? Oh no, this is single Vanos. Nice. Nice.
Single Vanos.
I like that.
With external wastegate.
Yes.
ITB singular.
Yes.
IT.
So where did you get this H22 from?
How much?
Facebook Marketplace, baby. How much did you pay for this? $100.
100 bones.
What was wrong with it? Well, he said it was not exploded bearing or something, but it totally didn't. Yeah? Yeah. So what happens when you turn it on and it just funk?
Huh? Blame it on you.
Oh. Because I brought it up? Why would you be that guy? Why would you be that guy?
He has this video to prove it too.
Yeah.
For later.
Asshole. Keeps dying. But anyways. Motor's in again for the millionth time. Yeah. Just a little struggle. Kind of fucked up the TPS sensor. Pins are still there. Hopefully, still clips on and works. If not, I got a few I can use. Let's see here. So pretty much this is as far as I really wanted to go, but I think I'm gonna go a little further. Probably connect the rest of the mounts, and do what else? I guess try the axles, maybe. We'll see. Yeah, maybe the axles while I'm already under there. Shift linkage probably. And what else? Maybe I'll just keep going until I get tired. Maybe that's the plan. I think that's the plan. I'll catch y'all on the flip side. Alright, next thing I'm gonna do is put this half shaft in, but I'm missing some of these Allen head bolts and some washers. So I'm gonna do like a run to Ace hardware store or wherever that might have them, and try to get this in. I know I have to space this out from the block a little bit just to help for axle clearance later. Yeah, I'm hoping I actually grind it down the block enough so the axle will clear. If not, we'll have to keep messing around with this and try to make it work, man. See you guys in a little bit. Yep, just got back. So I couldn't find the Allen head ones. I'm gonna try these. See if it works, and then yeah, we'll go from there. Sweet. So put the half shaft in. Oh shit. Put the half shaft in and see if I can get some light out here. And then test fitted the axle. Fits pretty well. A lot more clearance than before, which is awesome. If you can't see. So yeah, good shit. I ended up using like a stack of 3 washers. Cleared it out enough, and then grinding was definitely enough. So we're gonna just put the rest of this back together, and then go from there. I'm gonna put all the axles back on. Put both axles back on. Put the wheels on and then drop it. Well, actually I should put that rear mount on also while I'm in the back. Well, we're back. I did a little more than just the axles. I got the shifter on, or shift linkage. The header, I don't know if you can see it, it's fucking dark. Let me see. Almost see. I'll let you guys see. Header, alternator on. Alternator. To run it, the belt's running a little weird. I may have to take that spacer out from the crank pulley, but we'll find out later. Slave cylinders on. Oh man, maybe I bumped that ISO up. Come on. Okay. Slave cylinders on. Starter. Got all the mounts in. What else? Shit's pretty solid in there. I gotta put this fuel line back on. And then the wiring. And then radiator. After that, I think fluids? Yeah. Yeah. Then yeah, go time. Get back at you when I'm done. So I've got everything buttoned up and everything. Put coolant in the radiator. Start this bad boy up. Let's see. Shaky. I think it needs a valve adjustment. It's alive again. It's a lot quieter than the G